guys, my name is Chloe. Today I'm going to be talking about different colors of different things. Well, our world has been made up of lots of things. It's been made up by natures, by all the objects that we have around us. The natural resources are made up of one other important thing that some people say if they don't have them, they can't live. Is a thing called color. What is color? Color is something that's really important in our life. There's thousand kinds of colors. Colors can come from red to blue. They can come from yellow to green. They look different sometimes. They can be light, they can be dark. They can be a little bit the same with some colors, and some of them can be really different from some color. Some color is mixed up by two colors to make up the colors. Some colors would be primary and secondary, and a lot of other names. So now if you look at all colors and want to name all of them, it's really hard to name them all the time. So let's just look at some colors that we have around us. If you look at here, we can see that it's just a small table of a small amount of colors that we have. Colors can be a lot different. Now, look at these three colors. And now if I say it's blue, you can't know them because they're all blue. Look, this is blue, this is blue, this is blue, this is blue. But they just have different tones. Like this is blue, this is dark blue, this is violet blue, something like that. Or if you look at these two, you can see one of them is just kind of like a color of water or sky, but one of them is a little bit greener, like something just kind of like a ruby, but not really. It's not really green. Or if you look at these two, they are greens, but one of them is really light. And one of them is a little bit darker and looks more like a color of a leaf. So you see, colors usually will be called as just one name, but they are different. So let's go and look through some colors of some objects that we see around us. First is black. Black is a really common color that you can see all the time. Black is a really dark color, and there's just one kind of black. If it's not mixed with other things, then it's just one kind of black. Like this is black. The phone screen is black. And my laptop, it is black. And my mouse, it is black. My hair is 100% dark. It's naturally black because I'm a Vietnamese person. Usually Vietnamese will have a chain of black hairs, like mine. Or such as my father's paint. Or such as the thing I'm wearing on here. It's also black. Yeah. So there's a lot of things black around us. Even my mother's phone case is black. Now if you look through your room, you can see there's a lot of things black. The fan is black. The plugs are black. Some of my mother's clothes is black too. And my bed colors is black. Yeah, if you look at it, it's a kind of black here. There's a lot of things black around us. Look at the room and tell me what thing can you see that's black. Interesting. Next, let's look at pink. The pink color. Pink color is known as a girl's colors. People said that pinks are just for girls. When I'm just a children, I really like pink. Like when I'm just 6 and 7 years old, I really like pink. I think pink is the prettiest colors in the world. I like pink now too, but not really my most favorite. But not really my favorite one. My favorite one is purple, light purples. I'm just kind of like a person that likes all the kinds of colors. But I don't like the ones that are dark and really is dark, such as I don't like the pink colors of roses. If you look on it, then I think there's a little bit some kinds of too much pink for me, but I like the lotus. Look through my room, there are some kinds of outsides. Some kinds of my mom's outsides that looks pink. Yeah, I can see a pink one there. And some paints that are pink. My blanket is also pink. My pillow here is also pink, but it's just dark pink. There's a lot of things pink here, and even a small blanket here is also pink. So can you find something else pinks around you? Now, if not around this house, I think there's a lot of things that's pink. Like some kinds of erasers also pink. Some kinds of bows that I put on my hair is also pink. Yeah, some kinds of decorations or some kinds of jewelries also have the color pink. I think there are some kinds of pink bags around me. I don't know. Next is red. Red is a color that's for all people, but I think that's the color for boys. Not bad things for everybody, but usually people think it as red. As red as boys' colors. Red is a darker color, a darker version of pink. Red is just kind of like the color on the Vietnamese flag. Yeah. Red. Here there's a outside that's red. My bed here have a piece here that's red. One pillow here is red too. And some of my uniforms also have the color red, like my skirts and my pants have the lines on it. Also my shirts. Okay, so next it comes to the color yellow. Yellow is usually known as a bright color. It's in the heat group of colors. And yellow was a kind of winning color. Usually when you look at the pages or even the cups, you can see that it's the color yellow. Gold is yellow. A lot of things is yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. You can see when you look at the sun, it's yellow. But it doesn't really mean this real color is yellow. Yeah. I also like yellow. I also like it. The yellow color looks fine to me. Next is orange. Oranges is a kind of color, but also a name of a fruit, like orange and orange. Orange the color and orange the orange fruit. Yeah, that's the funny thing that I've learned in the very first step when I learned English. There's a phone name here that looks orange. There's a box that looks orange there. This part. The stars here is also orange. Yeah. So, let's move to the next color, brown. Ooh, when I look at brown, I would just automatically think about chocolate ice cream. Ooh, I want to have some now. But let's just put it away. Brown can also be stand for dirt, for sand around us. Brown is in our dark color group. But there's a lots of kinds of brown. Some browns are like the browns of the nuts, so they call them brown. No, not browns. And there's not a lot of brown things in my house, but there's a lot of things in my hands that's made out of wood, so I think there's a lot, such as this bag. It is a color of brown. Okay, next let's look at the color white. White is a kind of color that's pretty nice for me. It's pretty cute for me. I like the color white too. White is a really nice color for me. It shows white shows kind of like people that are really poor and they really have a bright mind, such as kids and children. I really like babies. Something talking about baby, but white is also really important colors. It helps make nearly all kinds of light colors around us. You see, now, okay, so here I have this color mixture one, and now today I'll add in some orange and orange, and I'll take these in. Okay, so I have orange, and I'm going to add some white inside. Confirm. Okay, so I'm going to add white inside. When I add white in, what can you see? It makes the colors orange lighter, right? It makes it lighter and looks softer. You know that nearly all kinds of pastel color are made from this. Color like red or red here. And then add in some white. Make it a little bit softer for you to look at. It's the pastel color. There we go. Okay, so that's something that you need to know about white. It's also a really powerful color, right? But black is also as powerful as white. It can make the color being darker too. Next, we have is blue. Blue is also my favorite color, the second favorite color. It stands for the sky and water too. The sky and the water are really big things, and they all surrounded our earth, or being surrounded by them, by the color blue. So that's why people called our earth the blue planet, you know? I like blue because of that. Yeah, I like the color of light blue. As you know, I've mentioned before, I like all kinds of pastel color. And next we have is green. I'm not really a big fan of it, but I also have a feeling for it. Green stands for plants around us. You can see that nearly all kinds of plants have the color green. It's just they have different tones. Just kind of like they're light green or dark green, but that also means they're in the green color group. Like this one. These are some kinds of the green color. Like this is the green one that we have. This is lime green. This is pear green. This is pine green. There's pickle green. There's a lot of fine greens. And just as like other colors, there's a lot of kind of pink, red, yellow, orange, brown, blue. Yeah. So now I want to have a challenge for you. I want you to go to find nearly more than 10 objects that have the color that you like. So see if you can do it. And tell me if you finished the challenge. I would really love it if you do my challenge. So thanks for watching my video. See you next time and have a nice day.